against the union. All right, he had hired a Navy SEAL boxer named like Brent Barrett or something, and this guy was the one that would go around and beat. He had a group of basically like the mob. They was whooping motherfuckers' ass that didn't want to work at these jobs. And if you try to put together a union to try to fight for your equal rights, they was fucking y'all up too. I'll pull it up. Look, he was a whole thug. Henry Ford was a whole mobster. All right, then I'm gonna go deeper about who he was. But check it out. Under labor unions, under Henry Ford on Wikipedia, it clearly says Ford was adamantly against labor unions. Now, for those who did work jobs before, you know that unions is everything for you, right? Because the companies treat you like shit. So the union is basically all the workers that actually work for the company coming together to protect the workers' rights. That would be no different than us. We forming the union in the country right now. Like, we the motherfucking citizens, or so they say. We the people doing all the work, paying all the taxes. This country don't run without us. But yet, y'all run over a motherfucker. Why? Because the people don't have a union. So that's why at jobs had these unions, but at labor unions. But in the beginning, the first labor union was made under Ford and Ford Motor Company. And Henry Ford was against the shit because he was about separating individuals and draining everybody of their life force and completely dominating them. It was all about, like he said, productivity. They was trying to create as many cars and as many factories as they could. Why? Because these factories help do what to the planet? Kill it. What does it do? What does it do to the hydrogen? It erodes it out. All right. So all these factories being built affected us. Then they start making the cars pumping out all these toxins into the air as well that we don't need. Then it made us lazy. They put you inside a car with 4 glass windows and metal, which was further going to be designed for us to drive down the road anyway. You get what I'm saying? Because they didn't want us around nothing pertaining to nature. You don't need a car to travel. Before we was using our energy to travel. Remember I told you McCurbers. So this was all a part of taking us into that next level of slavery so that they can further take the shackles off us, because now they got niggas' minds, souls, and spirits. All right? So although he was disguised as a person that was doing so much for us and for the job, like, we didn't need no jobs. Think about it. Why the fuck do we need to work in they factories which are designed to kill off our nature, our wildlife, and us? So no matter where you work, medical field, sports, entertainment, you become a rapper, you sell drugs, you go work at Burger King, you go work at retail, all these companies are against us. Yeah, we buy shoes, but we don't think about how many kids they kill and enslave to make the motherfucking shoes and these clothes that we don't even need. We buy food, but they poison in that. We buy water, they poison in that. We go work in the medical field, they train you to poison your people. It's not a job you can name that is not designed to kill us. That's the end goal of every major Fortune 500 company. It's to kill us. Okay? So as you can see that clearly, you can see what the fuck a job is. That's why I said that's a form of selling your soul. We basically okay, that's like when I worked at Burger King, McDonald's. I sold all this badass poison meat to my people for a check. That's no different than me when I sold drugs in the streets of Chicago. I sold crack and dope and heroin to my people before for money. I robbed my own people before for money. Right? So that made me a cancer to my people. But if I went to work at Foot Locker and sold gym shoes, I was still a cancer to my people, because we don't need shoes neither. We don't need these. We don't need these. This hurts us. But yet we've been trained to wear it. Rubber soles. Rubber. Designed for your soul. Because that's what it affects the most. Your life force, which is generated from your center of you, which is the plexus, your solar plexus. That's the center of your chakras, the center of you. Some people think it's the heart chakra, which sits above the solar plexus, but no. It's really your soul, because that's where all your energy comes from. It's coming from your soul. That's the sun of you, along with the little mini universes and the little mini suns you got chromosomes. So I'm pointing out it's not a job you can work that doesn't hurt your people or hurt your planet. All right. Now let me tell you how evil this motherfucker was. Ford didn't want nobody to think for themselves. Henry Ford did. So what he did was he was against labor unions, right? He explained his views.
Peace to the gods and goddesses of planet God. Peace, meaning positive energy always creates elevation. Peace to all the high vibration human beings. Peace to the ancestors for working through me. If you wish to see this full video, please head over to our official online website, www.theuci.online, and click on the video tab. Also, you can click, the shortcut to this video is to click the link below. It will be in the pinned comment in the comment section below. You can click the link and it will take you directly to this video so that you can watch this full video. Please be sure to continue to spread the message via social media using hashtags on TikTok, Rashad Jamal, and hashtag free Rashad Jamal. Be sure to continue. Thank you for everyone that's donating to the university and for those who are subscribing to the online website. And to purchase official crystals, please visit the website as well. I love you all. I'll be home soon. Now we rise. I leave as I come. Ashe.